Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking new furniture today. Let's go take a look.
All right, DIYers, inside the living room right now, and this is our current furniture. This is a Cindy Crawford line platinum finish. And this actually folds out to a queen size bed. There is a memory foam mattress inside, and it is perfect for kids, and they absolutely love it. I've slept on it several times, and I love it as well. And this chase actually can be on the right side or left side, depending on where you want it or how your room is positioned. However, we are going to move this to a different room and take delivery of our brand new furniture for this living room, and it's going to take up that corner space. We're going to add a seat there as well. However, we do have a review video on this furniture scrolling above. Definitely check that out. You may find it helpful. Again, Rooms to Go is where we purchased this from. And from here, we'll move it to the other room and take delivery of our new furniture. Making progress, found a bunch of Hot Wheels that the kids must put under there. They'll be excited to see those. It's probably been a while since they played with those. To the porch, we have placed the furniture out here, and this is going to work out great. And above it, we have two retractable clotheslines that extend from one side of the porch all the way to the other. This is perfect when we get out of the pool. We just hang our towels and suits here. There's the retractable box, and what I'll do is place a link down below in the comment section as well as description section on how to install a dual retractable clothesline. You might be interested in one. It works out perfect for us. Alright, DIYers, it has been delivered, or a portion of it. I'll explain that here in a bit. Here's the chase portion. On the opposite side is the couch with that corner piece all the way to the corner of the wall. And we were just told that the center portion is on back order and will take probably 3 months to arrive. I'll show you my expression or reaction when he told me that once he delivered this. 3 months or more? Wow. Interesting. Why would I want it any sooner? And when that centerpiece comes, it will slide into these mounts on either side or each piece. I even installed a brand new outlet cover because when we removed the old couch, there was no cover. So what I will do is wait a few months until the centerpiece arrives to give you the full review. However, I think I got a plan. Well, here's my plan. That was the chair that was sitting right there. I guess it's going to have to work. I like it. Here it is, complete set after 3.5 months, and let's go ahead and take a look at this centerpiece. And it fits perfectly in those little hooks that I showed earlier. And coming down here, you can actually just pull this out, and that stops right there. The lower portion have caster wheels, and you can have it configured like this as you watch a movie, or you can just pull this out and extend your legs and feet outward as you sit and watch movies. In addition, the paperwork said it's basically equivalent specification-wise or measurement-wise to a queen-size mattress from that portion all the way down. Stepping back out of the living room, as you can see, it takes up a good portion of the living room. However, that is going to be perfect for movie nights and when friends and family are here. And in addition, let's go ahead and open this up. Check this out. That opens up, and as you can see, it's got storage in there. And I'll step back, show you how that is configured, and that is really cool. Again, pillows, blankets, and or whatever else. I'll set that down, back to the stowed or down position, and when it comes time to stow this, you just grab this little loop, pull up, and it just shifts right in, and roll it back together. Check that out. Let me show you the caster wheels. Here's the left side, and to the opposite side, the right side. Nothing fancy, just plastic caster wheels. And DIYers, that is it. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. And if you're wondering, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seats, really. And that's more than what we had. And check this out, we even added a square cushion pod to the center to give it that Ottoman finish when the centerpiece is retracted and stowed. Pretty neat.